So what is Eigo.AI is all about? Could you share, please?
So, Eigo.AI is the world's first fully AI-powered four skills platform for English language learners. We leverage generative AI to give English language learners feedback on their speaking, writing, and practice activities for listening and reading.
Wow, that's super impressive.
Join us on May 16th to learn all about Eigo.AI, AI-powered lessons for ELLs, from the inspiring Paul Raine. About Eigo.AI from the founder. Eigo.AI is here to make learning English easier and more effective. We use the latest AI technology to create lessons for all levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Our lessons include activities that help with reading, listening, speaking, and writing in English. With Eigo.AI, students get quick feedback on how they speak and write, which helps them improve faster. They can also see how much progress they're making over time. We cover many interesting topics in our lessons. Students can learn about history, science, and famous people in popular culture. This way, they're not just learning English, they're also learning about different subjects that might interest them. See you on Thursday, May 16th, and don't forget to set a reminder to get a notification when the live webinar starts. Time: 6 p.m. Japan, 12 p.m. Moscow, 4 p.m. Thailand, 2:30 p.m. India, 4 p.m. Vietnam. Hit the Notify Me on YouTube to get the notification before the webinar starts. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel because it is the best and free way to say thank you, and stay tuned for more upcoming PD webinars.